rhythm at the beginning instead of the end of the combo. So at the beginning, we're throwing 2 rights. If we're orthodox stance, so when I come across here, rear tie kick, that's a right, then across, that's a right. So that's how we're starting a combo. Instead of doing the cross hook and stepping off there, what we do is a cross body hook and step off. Okay? So here, cross body hook and step off. So I'm kind of pinning that arm against her body, right? And then stepping and kicking right above the knee. Occasionally when you do this kick, it will kick them above both. Your shin will lay across both of their legs, right? Both of their thighs, right above their knee. And it'll make them do this, right? Anytime, whether you're kicking the legs or the body, that you can make someone bend over like that, it's not a fighting posture. Right? You can take advantage of a lot of follow-ups. Those types of opportunities we're trying to learn how to create. Okay? So come across here, boom, cross, body hook, and kick. Right? Got a little bit on that back leg with that leg kick. It's targeting right above the knees. There are calf kicks, there are body kicks, there are head kicks. We're gonna look at targeting different parts of the body here in a second. It's the last variation we're doing. Then it's gonna be about targeting with our kicks, not our punches. We use a whole lot of different targets with punches. All right? Let's do it.